Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last chapter of the part B, Analysis of Financial Statement, consisting with the 20 marks. This chapter belongs to your 8 marks. So in this chapter, I will tell you the concept of cash flow statement and the purpose and objectives of the cash flow statement. I am giving you the just simple introduction of the cash flow statement. Cash plays very important role in the economic life of the business, monetary life of the business. A cash firm, generally a firm needs a cash to make the payment to its suppliers and to use for the day-to-day working like the salaries payment, wages payment, interest and dividend payments. Cash is the blood of the human body. In fact, what blood is to the human body, cash is the blood for the business enterprises. It is very essential for the business to maintain a proper balance of cash. For example, a business organization operates profitably and does not have the sufficient cash to pay the dividends and the interest, etc., then how can they pay to the shareholders? That's why the management needs cash. What do you mean by the cash flow statement? Cash flow statement refers to cash inflows, cash outflows over a one particular period for finding out the change in cash over that period. So the main purpose is to see the change in cash. For example, cash balance in the business on the 31st December at the 2012 20,000, while the cash balance on 2013 31st December 30,000. These are the closing period we are supposing. Then what is the cash net change? Net change is at the beginning it was 20, now it is 30. So what does it mean? 10,000 has been increased, called as inflow of cash, net inflow of cash as compared to 2012 in the 2030. So it also explains the reason of the inflows and the outflows. So it means with the help of this reason, the management makes plan for the future run. The purpose of the cash flow statement, that means to provide the relevant information of the cash inflows as well as cash outflows of the one particular period to the enterprises. Thus, these statements provide the answers to the following questions. Where did the cash come from? That means sources. What was the cash used for? That means application of cash, uses of cash. And what was the change in the cash balance? The reason of the change in cash. Now you may see the objective of the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement highlights the cash flow coming from the different activities. It helps to make the short-term planning because it is a part of the current assets used for the short periods, one year period. So that means it is fruitful for the short-term planning. It helps to understand the liquidity available in the organization. It shows the efficiency of the management to use the cash. It also shows the sickness of the available in the cash. If the too much cash is available in the organization, it means it may observe the investment proposals are not to be taken by the management properly. It helps to make the cash budget, and the cash budget of the one period can be compared with the last year period. It shows the cash positions available in the organizations. Thank you.